What's up, crypto kings and queens? It's your boy King Larry, and I'm back with another video. Welcome to my channel where we discuss the latest crypto news, NFTs, blockchain gaming, and all things crypto. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the post notification bell to stay updated on the latest. And in this video, I'm gonna show you how to buy NFTs. I'm gonna show you where to find NFTs. And as a bonus, I'm gonna show you where to get early access on these NFTs. Let's go. So, when you're buying NFTs, guys, you kind of want to be smart about it. It's really all depending on what you're holding, right? So I'm gonna just run through a couple of these marketplaces first, and then we'll talk more about that. The first secondary marketplace I'm gonna talk about today is called Binance NFT. Binance NFT is a very reputable marketplace, guys. Essentially, you would just log in and create a register. You would create an account, set up your wallet, and then you would go on their art gallery and browse around and see what you guys like. They have some of them in BUSD. They have some of them in BNB. They have some of them in Ethereum. You would just browse the gallery, guys, and find what you're looking for, right? Now, the second secondary marketplace that I'm going to talk about today is called OpenSea. OpenSea is another very reputable marketplace, and it's essentially the same thing, guys. You would create an account, a profile, you would connect your wallet, and you would go on their art gallery and browse and see if you can find what you're looking for, right? Now, the third one is Solana Art. Now here's what I was talking about earlier. If you have Solana tokens, if you have Sol tokens, this will probably be the best marketplace for you if you're holding Sol. This is a very reputable marketplace for Solana NFTs. Dingeon Ape, Ori, Soul Punks. And again, guys, same deal. You would connect your wallet, set up an account, and you would browse their marketplace and see, if you could find what you're looking for. So this is, like I said, this is where it comes into where you kind of want to be smart about what decisions that you're making, because it all depends on what you're holding, guys. The fourth marketplace I'm going to talk about is Cnfct Io. This is a Cardano marketplace. And again, if you're holding Cardano, this will probably be the best marketplace, secondary marketplace for you. This is where I would go. I would go here and browse, and it's the same deal, guys. You would log in, you would create a wallet, connect your wallet, guys. And even if you're making NFTs, you can mint your NFTs and put them right here on CNFT or any of these marketplaces, guys. If any of this is helping you, just can you like, comment, subscribe? If you have any questions, let me know. Just drop a comment, guys, and I'll get with you. I'll answer it. I'll answer anything that you guys, to the best of my ability. If you want me to do a special video on any of these marketplaces, just let me know. Now, as a bonus, I'm going to give you guys a tool that's going to show you how to get these NFTs early before they hit the secondary marketplace, right, guys? It's called Rarity Tools, right? It's called Rarity Tools. You would go on Rarity Tools, and as I said, they're gonna give you these are creators. These are NFT creators, and they're essentially putting their projects on this website. And here they leave their Discord, their websites on here, their Twitter, and as you can see, it says this NFT Crypto Gem Alliance. They're coming out Wednesday, September 15th, 2021. Today is September 11th, 2021. So they're going for 8 Ethereum, 0.08 Ethereum as an initial price. Right? This is another one, Street Dogs. It says right here, to be determined, right? So we don't know when they're coming out, but But again, guys, this is a tool that you can go on and you can see some of these projects. See, this one just came out September 10th. It came out yesterday at 0.055 Ethereum. But yeah, guys, this is just a tool that you use to find some of these projects before they launch, and you can possibly be prepared for them. And again, guys, if any of this is helping you, if you have any questions, make sure you just like, comment, subscribe, hit the post notification bell to stay updated on the latest. And